This is the Australian stock market closing report for Monday the 23rd of May 2016. In Friday night's US trading session, the greenback was slightly stronger, base metals ended flat and crude oil was down 0.5%. This created negative leads for the Australian market in today's trading, with the ASX 200 index closing down 0.6% or 32 points to 5,318. The day's trading range was 67 points, with the high of the session at 5,364 and the low of the session at 5,297. The ASX 200 market breadth skewed to the negative side, with 75 advancing stocks versus 107 declining stocks and 18 stocks unchanged. The All Ords Gold Index significantly outperformed the market to close higher 2.1%. Evolution Mining was up 4.9%, Regis Resources was higher by 4.4%, and Saracen Mineral Holdings was higher by 4.1%. The information technology sector demonstrated relative strength by closing higher 0.42%. Aconex closed up 5.8%, MYOB Group closed higher 1.2%, and Altium was higher by 1.2%. The financial sector moved in alignment with the market to close to the downside 0.65%. Goodman Group was down 1.9%, Genworth was lower by 1.85%, and Platinum Asset Management was off 1.7%. The banking bellwethers all closed in the red, with ANZ down 14 cents to $24.95. The Commonwealth Bank was down 16 cents to $77.96. National Australia Bank was lower by 15 cents to $27.14, and Westpac was down 38 cents to $29.90. The material sector was down 0.73%, with Fortescue Metals leading the downside movement, closing lower 4%. BHP Billiton was down 48 cents or 2.55% to $18.37, and Rio Tinto was down $1.04 or 2.31% to $44 flat. The energy sector followed the overnight crude oil price lower to close down 2%. Worley Parsons was the weakest component, down 3.7%. Origin Energy was lower by 3.5%, and Oil Search was off 3.2%. The yield on the Australian 10-year bond is off 1.5 basis points to 2.286%. There was no economic news today. However, in company news, Flight Centre downgraded its full-year profit guidance, saying in a statement that uncertainty over the UK referendum on EU membership, the Zika virus and the Australian election were the main factors in revising underlying profit guidance. Shares in Flight Centre closed down 8.93% or $3.29 to $33.55. BlueScope Steel said in a statement that the company is raising its earnings forecast thanks to cost cutting and an increase in steel and iron ore prices. Shares in BlueScope Steel closed higher by 7.35% or 43 cents to $6.28. The ASX 200's 5 most active stocks were Fortescue Metals with a volume of 19.9 million, Telstra Corporation with 15.65 million, Mirvac Group with 14.24 million, South32 with 13.53 million, and Oil Search with 13.22 million shares turning over. The 5 best performers were Mesoblast 7.9% higher, BlueScope Steel 7.35% higher, Aconex up 5.8%, Main Pharma higher by 5.7%, and Evolution Mining higher by 4.9%. The 5 worst performers were Flight Centre lower by 8.9%, Spotless down 4.6%, Fortescue Metals down 4%, Austal lower by 3.9%, and Worley Parsons lower by 3.7%. The Australian dollar is currently flat in the Asian trading session at 72.25 US cents. Spot gold is flat at $1,253 US, and crude oil in the Asian session is down 1.2% or 58 cents to $47.83. This has been the Australian stock market closing report for Monday the 23rd of May 2016, and I've been your host, Aaron First. I'll see you again next time.